I had sleep apnea so bad that almost every night I would wake up choking and throwing up. I was falling asleep in meetings. I had no energy. My cognitive was horrible. I would forget everything. Wait a minute, you're saying that for the rest of my life I have to put this CPAP machine on so that I can sleep at night? That's the answer to this? Listen, I was at a place where I'd rather die than put that thing on and try to sleep with that thing. I'd sleep for 35 minutes and then end up ripping it off in the middle of the night. I'm like, this is it? Then I'm out. I don't even want to deal with this. And I know some people also who have learned to adjust to it. You don't have to.
Stop snoring with this simple trick. Snoring isn't just about nasal issues, tongue position, or weight. The main cause is soft throat tissues blocking airflow, especially when the lower jaw relaxes in deep sleep. This reduces oxygen to the brain, disrupting sleep. Forget tapes, strips, or CPAP machines. They don't address the root issue. There's a solution. A lightweight anti-snoring mouthguard. This unique design keeps your lower jaw in the correct position during sleep, ensuring a steady flow of oxygen to your brain and putting an end to snoring. The mouthpiece is made from a soft, medical-grade polymer that molds to your teeth and has a low profile to minimize any discomfort. Simply put it on before you go to sleep. Don't miss out on a good night's sleep. Shop now